I hate firmware updates. What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another video, and today I have the brand new Jabra Elite 85Ts. So you know what we have to do, right? We got to get this box popped, explore all of its contents. We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, a latency test. When I reviewed these guys here, these are the Jabra Elite 75Ts. They were banging, the bass hit hard, the highs were crisp. I'll link that video right up here. That way you guys can go back and watch that one. Before we get started, do not forget there is an ongoing giveaway happening right now on this channel. I'll link that down in the description. Guys, grab your popcorn, get excited, let's go. All right guys, so let's just go through what it says on the back of the box before we get it popped. This has adjustable active noise cancellation and hear through, which actually the 75Ts just got via a software update, so that's pretty dope. 12mm speakers for big sound and powerful bass, 6 mic technology with wind protection, pretty cool. Up to 5.5 hours of battery and an additional 25 with the case. You got fast charging and wireless charging, super important, and an IPX4 rating. All right guys, let's go ahead and get this popped open. I like that the box is a lot more compact than the 75Ts. That one was kind of ginormous. Pretty nice. I like this display here. If I can get it out. Pull tab. And these are going to be our ear tips and our USB-A to C cable, some instructions on how to get started, and our warranty guide. All right, so let's move this stuff out of the way. All right, so as you guys can see, just for size comparison, the looks are the same, but the actual case of the 85T is probably about 10% larger all the way around. Let's get to the main course here. They look almost identical. Let's go ahead and open up the Jabra app here. I believe I gotta take these out of the case for them to go into pairing mode. Oops, it moved on me. It moved, there we go. Pair, I'm gonna put these in my ears, see how they feel with these ear tips. Actually pretty nice. How do they look, guys? Pretty dope. It is syncing up, it's identifying which earbuds I have in my ear. While it's doing that, let's look at the differences. This is an 85T, this is a 75T. As you can see, the holes, these dots here, are definitely a lot more refined, they're a lot smaller. Other than that, you couldn't tell the difference between the two. You flip it on the other side, the casing is now a different shape. You can see the charge pins or charge ports, pins, ports, whatever you want to call them, in a different location, but the whole housing is also larger. And then you can see the shape of the speaker that comes out of here is more of an oval, as where the old design was a little bit rounder. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna go through the app really quick and see what options are available. We're gonna tailor the EQ to the way I like it. So we're gonna prepare for the test first. I need to find a quiet place to do this. So here we go, continue. So it looks like we're actually completing a hearing test. And now it is creating a unique sound profile just for me. There is an update. Let's go ahead and knock that out. While we're waiting on the download, guys, I just want to show you wireless charging is working. See the lights lit up. If I take it off, it's off. Put it back, it's back. Pretty nifty. Always nice to have different options instead of always just having to plug it in. So options is good, USB-C is great, wireless charging even better. All right guys, so the firmware has been completely updated. Let's check out what options we have inside the app. First, you can see here we have active noise cancellation and you can adjust the levels. We also have hear through. Whoa, that sounds weird. Hear through, so that way if you're having a conversation with somebody, you can actually hear what they're saying without having to take the earbuds out. And then you have your EQ down here, so you can kind of adjust it the way you like. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it for bass boost. All right, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start listening to some tunes. Here we go. Let's make sure we're cranked to number 11 so we can feel it in my soul. Ooh. Highs are really crispy right off the bat. I like them. There's that bass. Really punchy. Different than the 75Ts. All right, let me pause this. All right, guys. So the one thing that I noticed right off the bat is the difference in bass. I really like it. There's two different types of bass, right? There's something that's really controlled and punchy, hits hard. And then there's one that's a little bit, which on the 75Ts is a little more loose and it's vibration and you feel it a little bit more. I kind of like the way they tuned the 85Ts. I think they did a great job. The sound spectrum overall is really, really solid. So Jabra, great job. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and move on to the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85T. Let's go ahead and introduce the ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85T. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Are they able to hold up to the noise in the background? Does my voice sound crisp and clear? Let me know. Everything down below. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the latency test. Here we go. Latency test on the Jabra Elite 75T. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's what I have for you today. Again, don't forget about the ongoing contest that's happening right now on the channel. There's a link down in the description. Click on that. Make sure you're signed up. Make sure you follow all the steps. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.